now that I have my coffee, I'm ready to get to work. Let me take a little sip. Time to get to work. I have a few things I need to get done today. I'm also going to start by just making a list so that I can check off as I go. I'm a big list maker. So one of the things I do need to do is finish off this shirt order. I have a Mother's Day shirt and I went ahead and cut out the vinyl last night, but I did not prep it. I also wanted to borrow an iron or go get an Easy Press, the mini one, so that I can create my own little label instead of having the whole Gildan tag on here. I just think it would look a lot better. I need to get some packaging for this. I need to, you know, package it all up, get the stickers for it, the thank you letter, all of those things prepared for this order. So I'm really excited for that. I also have another order for pantry labels that I need to get done today, but I'm still waiting on hearing back for the specific words that they're needing and the font. So hopefully they'll get back to me today. If not, I'll have to do that a separate day, but I'm gonna just prepare everything I can for that. And then I have a couple more things that I need to get done as well. So there is a list of things that I need to do. I also need to finish packaging and finishing up all of my Mother's Day things and orders. So we're busy today. We're gonna be doing all of that, and I'm doing it during nap time because if you didn't know, I'm a mama. I've had my kids with me all day. So nap time is the way I can do it. Nap time or late at night. I went ahead and downloaded some washing care instruction cards off of Creative Fabrica. I personally just love using Creative Fabrica, so that's what I'm going with today. So I'm going to just bring that into Cricut Design Space and quickly print a couple of those out. Send a printer. Oh, I need to quickly take this out. Ah! Forgot to put my cardstock in.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never.
So while that's registering and cutting, I'm just going to grab my stuff for my shirt that I need to make. I know it's a little noisy in the background, sorry. Put away this extra cardstock that we don't need, and I'm also going to make sure to include one of my business cards on there. I just have like tons of little things. This is my packaging stuff, so that's what I'm gonna use there. I need my heat press or Easy Press. Oh, I'm so excited about these. Okay, I should just use the spatula really, but that's okay. We're just gonna peel away. The mat is really not that sticky right now. Printed and cut out a few others, that way when I get more orders I can just grab them. I just keep all of this in my packaging box. This is what they look like, just with some cute purple on the top, and yeah, I really like it. So I'm going to write my handwritten thank you note on the backs, but for now we're going to just pop this in here so when I go to package I can find it. I'm gonna need to set up my heat press and all of my stuff to press that shirt. I also need to weed it out.
I don't know how, or how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down, I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Take every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got, 'cause I don't care if they think we're meant to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. Why would I fight the things I'm feeling? Rather space out here next to you. Ooh, like astronauts, we're in the night sky and we won't come down. Make every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got, 'cause I don't care if they think we're meant to be falling in love with you. I'll do
So there we have the shirt. I just hung it up here to cure, so I'm actually not going to package it for a little bit just because I want it to fully set and be on there really good. I did go ahead and add some flocked vinyl over top of it, so just going to give it some time, and then we'll come back tomorrow probably and package it and everything. But that's that for now. I also wanted to go ahead and make stickers, but I'm running out of time because the little one's going to wake up, so I might have to come back in here tonight or something to get that done. But let's tidy up quickly because we made a mess. Well, I did. Okay, time to clean up. To be honest with you, most times I do not clean up. I always regret that though, because then I come back and it's a hot mess in here. This is the bucket where I keep all of my HTV pressing stuff, so like my lint roller and all the stuff that I need for it. The next part that I needed to do today was open up my package. I'm so excited. My order came in from Be Kind. They kindly, no pun intended, gifted me a few little sets for Mother's Day, and so I wanted to show you them because I mean, we can all appreciate some good packaging. We can get some tips from this, and also it's just a really good brand. Their mission is to help protect bee colonies around the world, which I can absolutely appreciate. Bees are pretty important. So in this little package, it just came their little thank you note and then some fun stickers. So as always, when you're packaging stuff, always a great option to include some fun little stickers and things. They even included one that has their logo. So again, this is a great tactic for business and marketing because people are going to maybe stick this on their phone. For example, we stuck one on this phone, and then people might ask, hey, where'd you get that sticker? So it's a great marketing tactic as well. Something for you to think about if you're looking to sell and package for your own. Again, this is stuff you could make with your Cricut machine, so this is awesome. This packaging is super cute. Their packaging was all eco-friendly and recyclable, which again, I love. Even this you could make with your Cricut machine. Just absolutely stunning. I'm so excited. I'm going to be gifting these sets for Mother's Day, I think, to a couple of local mamas. I've posted in a few different groups, and I'm just going to do a giveaway, so I'm really excited to do that. So this is the next one. It's just a cute little white set. I love daisies and sunflowers, so this is perfect. I also included a little thing that said handcrafted with love, which love that as well. I'm going to open this package. They did give me a discount code, so if you want to use the code Trebusheayt20, you will get 20% off your order at Be Kind. All of the information will be in the description, as well as the link and discount code for you, so feel free to check that out. This is the other one that is You Are My Sunshine. If you didn't know, I have a little obsession with sunshines and a little bit of a meaning behind it, and it's really special to me. So I absolutely love these. I can't wait to gift them for Mother's Day to some local moms who absolutely deserve to feel pampered, and this is just a really fun one to be able to be doing. I'm probably going to include some other Cricut goodies that I make, but I'm just super excited to do that. They're also able to donate a portion of every purchase made on their website towards developing bee colonies around the world, which is a super cool part of it as well. So here are all of the things that I got, and we are just so excited. Oh, my daughter really likes the white one, right? That's the one you like?
I like this one and that one.
And that one?
Yeah, besides hot sun, my little sunshine.
Yeah, you are my sunshine.
Why did you say that?
It says you are my sunshine. The most.
I'm gonna put this person on this one, this one on this one, and this one on this one.
Yeah, you can definitely have one. You choose which one you want.
This one, this one, and that one.
You can't decide yet.
Not that one.
I know, they're so cute. It's hard to choose. It is now about 5:30. Dinner is cooking in the oven. The kids are playing outside, so I came and I decided to do a little bit more work. I try to post on my business social medias. I try to post on my business Facebook page. Currently I'm selling just mainly locally, Facebook Marketplace, stuff like that. So I'm also going to update some of my Facebook Marketplace listings and just those types of things. I like to check on those quite frequently. I'm actually wanting to try something new. So lately I've noticed that Facebook Marketplace is boosting sellers and posts that have the whole paid posts thing. They're really trying to promote that. And for a while I said I wasn't going to do that, but I'm curious to know how it works out. So I want to do like a little experiment where I take one or two of my listings, and I have multiple of the same listings, just with different photos. So I'll be selling a shirt like this, and I'll have different listings and different titles for the same kind of product, if that makes sense. So I'm going to take one of those listings and leave it regular, just leave it how it is. Another one, I'm going to do that paid advertisement thing. I think it's like $1 or $2 a day, which can definitely add up. So it's just going to be like a little experiment for the week and see what happens. But I thought that would be a fun idea to do. So let's go ahead and do that. Your ad will run for 3 days, which is $6 Canadian. So sure, we'll try that out. And payment method. I'm trying to just set it up with my PayPal. That would be nice. Let's see. How do I've never used PayPal to pay for anything, so I'm trying to figure it out. Maybe I'll call a friend. Let me call a friend and see. Quick question. I'm trying to pay for something with PayPal, and it's so I press like payment method is PayPal, and then it says to add PayPal, enter your credit card number. Is that normal?
Yeah. That's how PayPal gets money. Otherwise, how are they going to know what money are they using to pay for this stuff?
But like I have money on my PayPal account already.
Nice. And what are you trying to do? What are you paying for?
I'm trying to do an experiment where I pay for a Facebook advertisement for 3 days to see what happens.
Like to sponsor a post kind of thing?
Yeah, I just want to see what happens. I'm actually currently filming a video right now.
Once your Facebook is paid and you choose PayPal, what happens after?
It is much later, currently 10 o'clock at night. I have a croissant, little late night snack. So I have done all the orders that I had for today. Unfortunately, I did not hear back yet from the order about the pantry labels to know like what exact words they needed and stuff. So that's gonna be put a pin on it for a few days. So I'm excited for that. I currently just pulled this up. I really want to do that Facebook Marketplace thing. I ended up having to chat with my friend on the phone for way too long, as you do with your friends normally, so I stepped away for a bit. But I will be going ahead and trying out that little experiment I was talking about, and of course I will give you updates on if it was even worth it, if it did anything at all, and all those things to save you the time and the money of bothering yourself if it's not going to work. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do a couple more mock-ups. I think Cricut Design Space is down at the moment, unfortunately. Let me just see. I think it was telling me earlier today, if I recall correctly, that it was going to be down from 9 to 11 p.m. So let's see, I'm going to try to reboot it. I need to get this done too, all of this stuff today, because tomorrow I'm not even in the country. I'm going to the USA. I'm so excited. I'm not going to any craft stores yet. I know we've talked about it on the lives that I do here on Friday nights. I really want to go to the States and do like a crafters trip where I go to all the craft stores that you have there, like Hobby Lobby and Joann's Fabrics and all of those cool things that you have. And I'm going to vlog it and it's going to be totally fun. But tomorrow I'm going clothes shopping at Ross and Target and the mall and stuff like that. So it's going to be super fun. Whole day thing, because we have to drive all the way down there. We're leaving early in the morning and coming back at night. And yeah, I'm super excited. So I'm not going to be here to do any of my normal work stuff that I would do. So I'm trying to get it all done. And this weekend is my daughter's birthday and her birthday party. Plus I have a baby shower to go to. There's a lot of stuff happening this weekend. So essentially I'm booked up until Monday. And it's Wednesday. Yeah, Cricut Design Space is not even loading right now to open the app. So it looks like mock-ups it is. I might just end up ending it here because I do need to do a couple things for me to be able to leave the country tomorrow. You know, crazy times these past 2 years, so there are rules and regulations that I need to go through before. But yeah, otherwise there is a little bit of a day in my life as a small business owner. There you have a mini version of a day in my life as a small business owner slash mama. As you can see, I don't have a lot of time to just sit here all day and make things. I have to really plan my time around naps and meals and all that stuff with the kids. So it does get tricky at times. Like right now, I'm probably going to be staying up for a while to do my other business, which is things like YouTube, editing this video and all of that stuff. So it is a lot that I kind of took on, but hey, it's okay. We're going to just do it one step at a time, and tomorrow we're going shopping. I'm so excited. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you all in the next one. Happy crafting. Bye for now.